Guys, my grandparents gifted me and Jonas a vacuum cleaner yesterday. We picked it out. But it's the cutest thing ever. I was like, when we bought it, I was like, it's literally just a vacuum cleaner. Like, it's not that big of a deal. But it's so cute and tiny. Oh my god. Ooh. It's so cute. Like, it's a little puppy. Oh my god. Oh, so cute. So, and I even, like, because I looked, it says here, easy storage, and I was like, is that a Kallaxhylla from Ikea? I don't know if it is, but it does fit in, like, in the little cube. Look, oh my god. Look, it's tiny little garage. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Do not tell my boyfriend that it fits in here, because he's going to make me have it stored in there, and no, it's storage for yarn, okay? But like, if it's possible to buy just one cube at Ikea, I think I might do that and like rebuild it into a tiny little dog house for a little vacuum cleaner. Oh my god. Let's put it together. It's going, oh, it won't fit. Well, will it fit with the snake on it? I'm gonna put it together and then we'll see, okay? It has two heads. I did not notice that, so let's change it up. Oh my god. Oh! Look at this cutie! Oh my god. It's so tiny. And this metal thing here, it's such good quality. It's like heavy, and listen to this. Oh. Very, very nice, yes. So let's see how, because if that's the thing, it's very cute on its own, but oh yeah, so I think we'll just store it with this on because I can't get it off. So it won't fit into my shelf, which is awesome. It's a little sad because it's so cute. I could just take it off here, but no, we're not gonna do that. It's too much work. But let's tie it like around. Oh, what the heck? Look, it has its like little pocket. Oh my god, so cute. Like, what? What? Oh, what? Ah. Like that? Or like, what the hell? Huh? Yeah, some way, somehow, it's really cute, okay? It's not as cute as it was when it didn't have this thing attached, but it's still cute. So let's test it out. Also, this is an apartment, so there are people living under us, but not over because we're at the top, baby. Yeah. So I am a little curious about if it's going to be loud or not. So hopefully it doesn't make too much noise. Let's see. Okay, so we'll put it on the lowest sucking thing. Whoa. That made, that was on the lowest. Oh my god. I felt like that made a lot of noise. Let's try one more time, okay? Okay, so it's loud. I don't even want to try and put it on the highest setting because what the hell. But I will say the suction is immaculate. Like, despite it being on the lowest, it like sucks. Should we try it on the highest one? Yeah, let's do it. The highest setting, like, was too high. It got like vacuum suction to the floor, so I couldn't like take it off. So that was something. I actually think I'm just gonna wait for Jonas to get home from work so we can try it out together because I'm a little, yeah. Yeah, but this was so much fun.